Wow, it's something that we've been waiting for. We just keep our heads up and looking forward for the first game against Japan.
You're gonna ask
I think the welcome has been great, and we've enjoyed being with the community. It's awesome, it's so amazing, and I think as a team we are very happy and excited.
Hey guys, I'm waiting for it. That's it, have you quick? Yeah. You write the name on there.
Traditional activities, that was my best part, to teach them, and because it's involved the local language, it's a Zambian local language, so it was very fun to them, and I think they were excited and happy about it.